So first, let's whip the egg. So, bake this one for about 350 degrees Fahrenheit na init na oven for about, again. Okay, so after piping, bake natin to sa 350 degrees oven. 350 degrees oven! Or pwede nyo siyang i-keep and then dip sa milk before. Heck, ang bot.
Follow your every dream. Make step to be the queen. Share passion with the team. Start your dream at Sweet House. Oh, Sweet House, Sweet House. Sweet House. Oh, Sweet House, Sweet House.
Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. I'm Mich and for today, I will be sharing my butter cookie recipe. Okay? For the ingredients, I have here my flour, salt, vanilla paste, granulated white sugar, a piece of egg, and my flecha butter. Okay? So, if you have stand-up mixer, use paddle attachment, but if you don't have, pwede namang wooden spoon. Okay? Hindi kailangan ng mixer. So first, let's mix the butter and the sugar for around 5 minutes until light and fluffy. Okay? Make sure si butter is room temp na. Kailangan di na malamig tapos soft na si butter. So, while the butter is mixing with the sugar, mix natin si salt and si flour. Okay? Then, at this point, pwede nyo na ilagay si vanilla paste sa butter mixture. You can use vanilla extract, vanilla paste, or even vanilla bean. Yan, it's very smooth and fluffy na. We can add the egg. By the way, don't forget to scrape yung side ng bowl. Kasi yung iba hindi abot ng paddle. After the egg, si flour. Yun, ganun lang kasimple si butter cookie. Once the flour is incorporated, tap mo na, do not overmix para hindi matigas si cookie. What makes butter cookie masarap is yung butter na gamit nyo. Okay, so I'm using the flecha butter from Global Pacific. Yung iba, if you find this mixture very sticky, okay, you can add 1 tablespoon of conaprol milk para medyo maglambot siya. Okay? So, that's optional. And then, I'm sorry for the ambulance. For the tip, I'm using tip 1M. So, pwedeng doble nyo yung piping bag later in case pumutok to. Okay? So, I have here cookie sheet with my baking paper. Pipe natin si butter. For the piping, you hold your piping bag 90 degrees, straight angle, tapos pressure, and then ikot mo. Stop yung pressure, tapos slide mo konti. Okay? Last. Okay, so after piping, bake na natin siya sa oven for around 15 minutes. Okay? Until light brown lang. Huwag nyo sobrahan, baka masunog na si cookie. So, for this recipe, around mga 24 cookies. Depende sa pag-pipe nyo. Okay? So, yung init ng oven, around 350 guys. For the recipe, nasa description box na. Yan. After 15 minutes, our butter cookies is baked already. Okay? So, after that, pwede nyo siya ipa-cool down and then you can drizzle some chocolates. Or, pwedeng keep agad and then kain later. Okay? For the recipe, guys, pwede nyo check down below sa description. Okay? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking! Bye!